Hi, I'm Sean from Autel. DPF regeneration is a normal part of the cycle life of a heavy-duty or diesel vehicle. As you head down the road, your vehicle will attempt a passive or active performance of this. The challenge arises when the conditions are not perfect for this to happen, and this may be a lot of time spent in traffic, or it may simply be a lack of the right combination of speed, load, and gear. When you get the dreaded DPF warning light, you're basically stuck where you are in limp mode, and that's where Autel comes in. Our diagnostic tablets, like the MS909CV, allow drivers and repair shops to force a DPF regen.
Under the Special Function tab, you will find an assortment of tests, reports, and maintenance tasks that can be completed. For DPF regens, the tool will check to ensure proper conditions exist and then walk the technician through the process. If the vehicle needs to be at a different temperature, for instance, you will be prompted to take action. The after treatment system is displayed during the process so you can get a good look at the status of all components. Once completed, you will have a confirmation of a successful cycle.
Well, today we talked about DPF regeneration. There is so much more to explore in our MS909CV tablet. This includes diagnostics, topology, as well as ADAS and service menu functions. For more information on our full family of products, be sure to visit us at autel.com.